Severe weather is expected today. Here's a look at the primary threat. It's going to come with heavy rain, and that could produce some localized flooding. And then there's also this risk for damaging wind. That risk is greater the farther south you go. And the timing, right in the middle of the evening commute. 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock is the window of opportunity for these storms. There is nothing out there right now in South Carolina. It is quiet this morning for us, but not the case for the deep south. This is a storm system we're watching, and it comes with two different sides to it. You have the heavy rain side to the north, and then you have strong storms to the south. And what makes this forecast a little tricky for us in South Carolina is that we're right in between the two of them. As you can see, we have a lot of alerts right now in effect. No actual tornado warnings this morning so far in the deep south, but a watch is in effect for Louisiana and Mississippi, where those tornadic conditions are possible. And in yellow are severe thunderstorm warnings because of the gusty winds. And if you were to just draw a line directly eastward, it would take you basically Aiken, Orangeburg, Calhoun, Clarendon County, the southern Midlands. So that risk, that possibility for tornadic activity is there for the southern half of the state, and I wouldn't rule it out in the central Midlands either. And that is the reason why there is a 5% risk for a tornado within 25 miles for the southern Midlands. That's a level 2 out of 5. It's even higher, as I mentioned, in the southern Midlands, actually a 10% risk there, an enhanced risk for some stronger storms, which we haven't seen that risk level since last March. So it's impressive for sure, but it's quiet for the first half of the day with temperatures in the 60s by 8 o'clock, 70s around lunchtime. We're near 80. And then you see right around 1 o'clock or so, these storms start to pop up, and they're widespread 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, as late as 6 to 7 o'clock. And then it's out of here, pushing eastward and clearing out. It doesn't cool down by any means, though. On Wednesday, we are really humid, which brings us another round of rain. Today's our greatest risk, though, and where it's not severe, some of that rain could still be very heavy, 1 to 2 inches possible in some spots, especially in the northern Midlands toward the upstate. And then as we move into Wednesday night and Thursday, a second round of showers and storms are possible.